Yelink WH64 How to use. What's in the box? Power on, off. Turn on the headset. Turn off the headset. Connect power adapter to the base. Connection. Bluetooth connection. Connect to mobile. Turn on device's Bluetooth. Toggle the power button to the Bluetooth side and hold for 3 seconds. Select Yelink WH64. A headset can only be paired with one Bluetooth device at a time. DECT connection, connect PC and phone. Dock the headset to the base. Use the USB cable to connect the headset to the phone and the PC via base. You can use the USB cable to connect the headset to the PC directly. With Bluetooth and DECT connection, the WH64 can simultaneously handle calls from mobile, PC and phone. Wearing headset. Adjust the headband and wear the headset. For optimal comfort, adjust the headband. For optimal call quality, pull down the microphone and adjust the position near the mouth. Headset supports both left and right side wearing. Boom arm with 280 angles adjustment. The boom arm is free to rotate, give you the freedom to place the earpiece on your preferred side. For the mono headset, place the headband over your head, with the headset positioned against your preferred ear and the T-bar position just above the opposite ear. Control. Click the MFB button or pull down the microphone arm to answer the call. Double-click the MFB button to reject the call. For phone calls, click the phone button to answer, and double-click to reject. For PC calls, click the PC button to answer, and double-click to reject. Click the mute button to mute, unmute microphone. Lift the microphone arm to mute, lower it to unmute. Click MFB to hang up. To hang up, click the phone button or the PC button, depending on the connection. Busy light activate automatically while in a call. Press volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for fewer interruptions while not in a call. With external busy light, can easily show your work status clearly and prevent interruption. Replace ear cushions. Detach the old ear cushion by rotating counterclockwise. Align the replacement ear cushion with the ear cup. Rotate the replacement ear cushion clockwise until you hear a click. Charging. Dock to base to charge headset. Or connect Type-C cable to charge headset.